Hello everyone, welcome to Pranavastic. Today we are going to prepare idli batter. Normally we prepare idli batter with idli rava, but today I am going to show how to make idli batter with rice idli, or it is called as idli rice. For this we require urad dal, sona masuri, which we consume on daily basis. This is rice idli. You can call it idli rice also. I am using this. This is my measurement cup. For this we have to add 2 cups of urad dal in one bowl. Then take another bowl and add 6 glasses of rice idli. For 1 cup urad dal we require 3 glasses of rice idli. 1. Now for this rice idli we are going to add 2 cups of sona masuri. Now the total measurement to make idli batter is 1 cup urad dal, 3 cups of rice idli, 1 cup of sona masuri. Never mix urad dal and all the rice together. Soak in the water for 8 hours separately. While grinding you can mix both of them and grind it. Now you can see we are adding water to the urad dal and then water to the rice. Mix all the rice together and wash it properly and strain the water. Then later on, now I have washed my urad dal and rice properly and again soaked it in water. Now soak these ingredients at least for 8 hours in water by closing it with a lid. It's been 8 hours that our urad dal has been soaking. You can see the consistency of the urad dal should be like this. And same way 8 hours we have soaked the boiled rice and as well as our sona masuri. So it has been soaking since 8 hours, so it's become very soft now. Now let's make a fine batter from this by mixing it in a wet grinder. Now you can see our idli batter is ready. In this consistency our batter would be. Now leave this batter for overnight so that it gets fermented. Once it gets fermented, after leaving it overnight, you can have hot idlis. And one more important thing, few people add soda now itself. Do not add soda now. Add soda before you start preparing idlis. Overnight I have kept my idli batter outside. Now you can see my idli batter has been fermented perfectly. Now we are going to add very little quantity, like 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of soda is enough. Generally in hotels, what do people do? They add more soda so that your idli gets softer. So consumption of soda is harmful for health. So add very little quantity of soda. With this little quantity of soda only, your idlis come perfectly in fluffy shape and very soft. Consistency of batter should be like this now. You can see how soft our idlis are. So now you can have our soft idlis.
First change.